In this question, I will show you how to deny all the ingress traffic. So to summarize again, there are two kinds of traffic. The egress, which is all the outgoing traffic, and the ingress, which is all the incoming traffic. Let's first have a look at the documentation. Let's look for default deny. And this looks like a good example. Let's copy it. And we create a new file. We paste it here. Let's save the file. And we create a network policy with kubectl createF. That's done. And let's verify. And this looks good. That's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.